Ever wondered how to make your JavaScript code more concise and readable? Destructuring assignment is a powerful feature introduced in ECMAScript 2015, also known as ES6, that allows you to extract values from arrays or properties from objects and assign them to variables. This makes your code more streamlined and, quite frankly, easier to understand. Let's dive into the different destructuring types, starting with array destructuring. Think of an array with 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. To extract these values, you would use square brackets, like so, const equals sign array. Now if you log A, B, and C, you'll get 1, 2, and 3 respectively. You can even skip elements by using commas, like const equals sign array. This will give you the first and third element, skipping the second. Now, let's move on to object destructuring. Instead of square brackets, we use curly braces for object destructuring. For an object with properties x, y, and z, you would write const x, y, z equals sign obj. This will extract the values of x, y, and z from the object. You can also assign default values in case a property isn't present in the object. For instance, const a equals sign 10, b equals sign 20, c equals sign 30 will give you 10 for a, as it's not present in the object, 2 for b, and 3 for c. Nested destructuring is another handy tool. It allows you to destructure nested arrays and objects. For a nested array like 1, 4, you can extract the second and third element from the nested array with const equals sign nested array. Similarly, for a nested object like outer, inner 42, you can get the inner value using const outer inner equals sign nested obj. Finally, the rest syntax, represented by 3 dots, captures the remaining elements of an array or remaining properties of an object. For an array like, you can extract the first element and the rest with const equals sign numbers. This will give you 1 for first and for rest. Similarly, for an object like x, 1, y, 2, z, 3, you can extract x and the rest with const x, rest props. In summary, destructuring assignment is a nifty way to work with arrays and objects in JavaScript. It makes your code more concise, more readable, and easier to manage. So, the next time you find yourself dealing with complex data structures, remember destructuring assignment. It might just be the tool you need to simplify your code.